General and dear student, today we will start Beehive chapter 1, The Fun They Had. Fun means enjoyment. They means people, and had is used in past tense. It is a helping verb of past tense. So here in the chapter we will read about those people who have enjoyment and belongs to the past age. What type of enjoyment they had, which we are talking in the chapter, that we read throughout the story. So, before going to the text, first of all, I would like to give you a little gist of the chapter. Now, you all are seeing in the picture that there is a four picture. This is a learning through computers, robotic teacher, and virtual classroom, moving text. So these are the example of e-learning, online learning. Means in this chapter we will going to read about the futures school and the student of futures. Now this is a story set in futuristic scenario of around 150 years. Means here we are talking about 150 years in future. In this phase of human development, every activity of education had become dependent on electronic media. There was telebooks in which the words used to move across the screen just like this picture. Yes, telebooks they have. The teachers were mechanical robots and school was an adjacent room in the house. Adjacent room in the house means those children, the children of the futuristic schools, they have no school building. Actually, they have only a room that is in their house, and that particular room setup is just like the classroom. The robotic teacher comes there, computer, machine, setting, virtual classroom they are having in their own house. Where the student used to sit with the mechanical teacher, reading instructions on the screen and giving answers. They have no human teachers in front of them to discuss their problem and to get the solution. They only do the things by reading the instruction through the screen. It was very boring process as there was no interaction between the teacher and the student. So, like as today, the futuristic student don't have a chance to discuss directly to their human teachers as they learn in their virtual classroom. So they don't have a chance, or they don't are so lucky as we are having a human teacher and to talk directly, to discuss directly what problem we are facing and then solve, and to ask to our peer group, to ask to the friend circle, to ask to our classmates. So these facilities will not be available in future. Okay, let's move on to the text. I hope little bit you understand the background of the chapter. Now Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. Margie. Margie is a little girl who used to write diary. And on the day headed 17 May 2157, she wrote. What did she write in her diary? She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." Here she talks about a real book. Real book means the book in printed form as we are reading. It was a very old book, and as it is talking about the year 2157, so the book, the real book, really a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather. Now, Margie wrote in her diary about the information which she gathered from her grandfather. Once her grandfather told her कि his grandfather, Margie's grandfather went to the school and he read real stories in the real books. In the real books, they used to read their stories. Told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper, and that grandfather informed Marty's grandfather that when he studying in the school, that time he used to study stories through the real books, printed papers. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means crinkly means full of creases means जो ओल्ड बुक्स होती हैं उनके पेजेस जो यूज टू हो चुके हैं पढ़ के, वो साइड में जो एजेस होते हैं उनके फोल्ड हो जाते हैं, मुड़ जाते हैं, पेजेस जो है वो मुड़े मुड़े से दिखते हैं, तो उसको क्रिंकली बोलते हैं. And it was awful funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. Actually, Marge is reading by telebooks, and on the telebooks, words are in moving condition. So she thought ki what a awful funny to read that type of book in which words are still. Words are in motionless condition. They are still at the same place where they are printed. How funny is this? You know, and then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. And the more shocking, when they turn the pages and come back again on the same page by turning, they found the letters are printed on the same position, on the same place. Gee, said Tommy. What a waste! क्या बात करती हो, कितना wasteful है ये. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. It means if the words are printed on the same page, it means the new words can't be printed on that page. So once we read the book, then throw it away. How? What a waste it is. आई गेस मे बी, मुझे लगता है ऐसा उस टाइम होता रहा होगा कि लोग बुक पढ़ने के बाद बुक को थ्रो अवे कर देते थे, फेंक देते रहे होंगे. Our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. Now, here Tommy and Maggie compared the telebook and printed book, and they said that our telebook are more useful than that printed book, as the television screen at a time having millions of a book, and they easily can read by sliding the screen. So that is more beneficial than those printed book. I wouldn't throw it away, और हम उसको फेंकते भी नहीं हैं, फेंक भी नहीं सकते हैं. Same with mine, said Margie. Yes, मेरी टेली बुक्स में भी, मेरे टेली स्क्रीन टेलीविज़न पे बहुत सारी बुक है, just as you. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13 and she is only 11-year-old and Tommy was of 13. So she said ki yes, I have also many of the books but not more than you. She said, where did you find it? And she inquired to Tommy, where did you find this book, this real book? In my house, he pointed without looking, because he was busy reading in the attic. And Tommy was so busy in reading that real book, so he replied to Margie without looking at her, as he was so busy to read about the school and to read in the book. And he just said, "Oh, I find it from the attic." Attic is the place. Here is the given. Attic means a space just below the roof, used as a store room. जैसे आप लोग ताड़ बना के रखते हैं ना घरों में, तो उसको हम एटिक बोल सकते हैं. What is about school? So, what did you find in this book? In this book, what is written about? He said about a school. Margie was scornful. School. And Margie becomes so scornful. Scornful means? Scornful means contemptuous, showing you think something is worthless. Worthless means bakwas, bekar. What? What written in the book about school? What you are reading is school. What is there to write about school? I hate school. What is there to write? ऐसा क्या है स्कूल के बारे में लिखने के लिए जो उसमें लिखा हुआ है? Actually, I hate school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Now, this time the dislikeness towards the school arises more in Margie than before, as she getting continuously homework and test paper from his geography teacher, and she is performing worse and worse, and this performance deteriorate day by day, and that so it arises dislikeness towards the school and study in Margie. And by seeing the worst performance of Margie's mother is also very sorrowful, and then she decided maybe there is some problem in the machine in the geography sector that is not working properly. So she decided to call county inspector. Actually, county inspector is a mechanic who will build up the machine or who will repair that machine, that telebook. Now, he was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. So the county inspector came to Margie's house. He looks a little man. He is a round little man. He is a short-heighted man with a red face, and he carried a box with him, and in that, actually that box is a box of tools. That box is filled with dials and wires. There are many wires to repair the machine. First of all, he smiled by seeing Margie, and then he gave her an apple to her. Then took the teacher apart, and the teacher, actually this is thinking of Margie that by repairing this machine for some time, that county inspector will apart her geography teacher from her. थोड़ी देर के लिए ही सही, लेकिन geography teacher उससे उसका दूर हो जाएगा. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, and by seeing the repairing, Margie start thinking, I don't hope that the person, the county inspector, is able to repair this machine again. Means the part which he separated from the machine. I don't hope that he is able to put together all the parts and make it proper. But he knew how, all right. But that county inspector knew well his work. He is well skilled person, so he knew well how to set the parts. And after an hour or so, and he is able to do that job, he is done his job only in an hour or so. There it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. And again that machine is repaired and seen the screen, that large and black screen again visible in front of her, the questions, the lesson sector, everything is open in front of her. That wasn't so bad. And this time Margie realizes that this time that machine is shown little better than before, than earlier. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework. Actually, the slot means that particular area, that particular space, na? Slot, the given space or position. Actually, Margie hated in that machine that particular area where she had to put homework and test papers. She don't like to do the homework and participate in the test paper. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Same as you all are also not interested in doing the homework and test. So that Margie is also dislike this sector, this slot of the machine where she had to put her daily homework and to conduct the test paper. And for that she learned the punch code language. Actually punch code is a computing language. Punch code is a computing language through which she puts her answer on that telebook on that machine. And she learned this language when she was 6 years old. And whenever she completed her test and homework, that is calculated and evaluated by the mechanical teacher in seconds, as that was a machine. So the calculation was very fast. So the calculation would be very fast and she get her obtained marks very soon. Now next, the inspector had a smile after she was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault." And now the inspector understood where actually the problem is. And he smiled at Margie and finished his work. And after finishing his work, he patted down Margie's head. Patted means thapthapana. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Joan." Who is Mrs. Joan? Mrs. Joan is Margie's mother. So he said to Mrs. Joan, this is not the little girl's fault. Actually, there is a problem in machine. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. And he realizes that the particular slot, the particular sector of the geography subject is geared a little quick. Geared means adjusted. वो particular जो area था, जो particular slot था geography subject का, उसका जो system था, जो working process था, that is little quick. So the girl is unable to understand what the teacher is teaching. Those things happen sometimes, and he informed to Mrs. Jones कि ma'am, this will happen with the machine sometimes. Sometimes the sectors are working very fast, sometimes they become slow, so it will happen. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level, but now I manage the machine up to the age level and the caliber of the 11-year-old girl according to the Margie, so it will work well. Actually, the overall platform of her progress is quite satisfactory. Actually, if we observe what her performance is, so overall her progress and performance is satisfactory. And he patted Margie's head again, and he again patted her. Margie was disappointed by seeing all this कि her geography sector is become okay. Now she is able to take regular classes. So she, by knowing all this, she become very disappointed. Actually, she don't like to attend geography class. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Actually, she hoped, she don't like to attend geography class, and she hoped that county inspector do something with the machine ki that portion of the geography subject can be deleted for all the time, and the teacher, geography teacher, will be away from him. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. And now she just remembered an incident when Tommy's history teacher was away for a month, as the history sector become blanked out completely. So nothing is available on the computer, nothing is available in the telebook. So how did Tommy attend the history classes? So for a month he is unable to attend his history classes. So that things this time Margie also want for herself कि anyhow this geography teacher will be away from me. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about a school? And again she inquired Tommy कि what is about the school कि anybody wants to write it about. ऐसा क्या है स्कूल में जो कोई स्कूल के बारे में लिखा हुआ है बुक में भाई. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it is not our kind of a school. Stupid. Actually, what is written in the book, actually that is not our kind of school. ये हमारे जैसा स्कूल नहीं है, वर्चुअल क्लासेस नहीं है यहाँ पे. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Actually, the book which depicted in the book, or the school about which written in the book, that existed before 100 years ago, hundreds and hundreds years ago. He added loftily. Loftily means seriously again, pronouncing the word carefully. Actually, he focusing on the word centuries ago to make her understand कि what school he is reading. Centuries, I am saying centuries ago, मतलब बहुत सदियों पहले ऐसा स्कूल था. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of a school they had all that time ago. And Margie is little bit hurt with Tommy. Okay, फिलहाल मुझे ऐसे स्कूल के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता है कि ऐसा स्कूल रहा होगा कभी. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, and she also just take a help of Tommy's shoulder and just peeping out from his shoulder to see what is written in the book. Then said, anyway, they had a teacher. फिलहाल कुछ भी हो, कैसा भी स्कूल हो, उनके पास भी तो टीचर ही थे ना. How much she disliked teacher. See how she is imagining. Actually, she imagines here. Okay class, today we will complete it, this first, second and third page explanation, and after this in the next video I will complete the chapter, the rest of the pages.